Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
So I don't do onions and this Sazon. I discovered it was making my head hurt. And I'm saying, why does stuff make my head hurt? I think it got cinnamon in there because I have a food intolerance with cinnamon too. I don't do cinnamon. I do nutmeg. I could do ginger, cloves, everything but cinnamon. And I know a lot of food products has cinnamon in it. So it could vary how much it has in it because I can't do the Sazon, and it's another product I had bought. Because some of the ingredients in this food, when they talk about the food, they put on there the word spices. And they don't tell you what kind of spices, they just say spices. So it could have cinnamon in there, could be one of those spices. So if I start getting a headache, then I know it's a lot of cinnamon in there. Because that's in, I think, sometimes even quinine, you hear I'm pronouncing that, the pepper, sometimes causes me to have headaches. I don't know, I think it got something to do like cinnamon, it's like a something that make me like getting high or something, and when the high is down I get like some kind of horrible hangover and get a headache or something. That's what I'm saying happening, but that's what I think going on, because I cinnamon make you feel kind of, for in my case, make you feel kind of high or something. Then when that wears off, I get a horrible headache. So I don't fool with cinnamon, even though it might be in some of these spices. But if it don't make my head hurt, I use it, because I know a lot of these seasonings, I know if they have that word spices, I bet you it's some cinnamon in there, but it probably ain't enough for, to make me feel, cause me to have some kind of inflammation. So I'm happy about that. But yeah, I'm putting in work today because I got to put in work. That's how it works. If you want to get any kind of coins, if you have reached the quota of 4,000 watch hours and get 1,000 subscribers, you will start earning some kind of check. Now, for me, take me a long time to get a check. But if I just continue to have videos or something, I am earning. But I ain't like I'm getting paid every month. It ain't like that. I've heard people are quitting their jobs to become podcasters and work on YouTube and on TikTok and all that stuff. Shoot. And folks are saying you better not quit your job or lose your job, because this ain't no sure thing. Who know if what's gonna happen to the situation and you rely on a social media site to pay your bills. Now I know some people make a lot of money, but you gotta have a lot of views to get a decent paycheck. That's why you see folks come on here every day and make several videos, because they trying to get a quota to make sure they do get a check every month. Shoot. And to the folks that's getting a check every month, all right. But I do what I do, because I put in work. I enjoy what I do. I share my interests with others, and I love the others sharing their interests with folks like myself that like what they doing. So you see, I do the food thing. I get involved with people that do the same thing. So that's how I work on here. And you might just like other stuff too. Hold up, y'all, putting in work. Okay, I'm going on. I hope this is, I don't know, part, what did I say? This part 6. And I'm sharing the pantry area. Hold up, y'all. Let's get this out the way. Let's go up, up, up. Y'all see stuff is out of whack, even up here on this top shelf. Where this shelf was empty. All these shelves was empty because I emptied them. Cookbooks to the left, a box of beans, all that stuff got to come down because that ain't where that stuff go. It's just there temporarily. But right here on the second shelf from the top, all those canned goods, some of the stuff I think in the back is what it is, but in the front is all out of whack. So my work is, I got plenty of work to do by putting these cans in order. Like I told you, peach, fruit, go to fruit, corn, tomato, fish, peas, string beans, cheese sauce, all that stuff. Y'all see to the right is stuff stacked up. It's all kind of stuff stacked up in front of these shelves. I got to get down on the floor and go up under this cart here because some cans have fell down there and I got to get that. All this stuff got to be moved. Boy, oh boy, where are the grandkids? Need them little babies. But yeah, I'm just scheduling my little pantry chores. How many of y'all schedule y'all pantry chores? Like, you know, you do a little bit here, you clean this area a little bit, clean that area a little bit. Even my doggone refrigerator needs a thorough cleaning. I wipe it, but I need to take all them shelves out and wash them. Now, I'm thinking about getting me some, what do you call them? Racks. I want some racks in my refrigerator because those glass shelves, shoot, them things break too easy. Not the glass itself, but the little plastic part that's containing glass. I don't like that, and them things are very expensive. I just replaced one, and then another one is already cracking. I had the refrigerator for a while though, but I would rather have some racks in there instead of the glass shelves. I feel like it's an earthquake. It's been some earthquake. Y'all heard about that earthquake over in Venezuela? Oh my God. I feel like the ground is shaking over here. Yesterday I felt some shaking. Right now I'm feeling some shaking. I don't know what time it is. It's probably like about, I don't know. I'll try to look at the clock. I don't know. It might be like going on 7 o'clock. But I feel I felt shaking in my bed yesterday. Now I feel shaking over here in this area, in the kitchen area. So I don't know. But y'all heard about that terrible earthquake in Venezuela? A lot of people have perished. Their buildings collapsing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was awful. Folks are go to telling you end times. Things, fires, famine, pestilence, all kind of stuff going on. Evil works, all that kind of stuff. And it's all written in the Bible, believe it or not. But if y'all heard about that goings on and what's happening in Venezuela, say so in the comments. Talk about in the comments about your goings on and what's happening. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake it.